Hello esteemed colleagues, in this instructional video we'll explore how to edit or delete work in the plant maintenance module of the WAYL system. To begin, you need to access the maintenance module. This can be accomplished either by clicking on maintenance on the system's homepage or selecting it from the main menu on the left hand side of the screen. To begin editing, just double-click on necessary task in the main window of the module. Pop-up window will appear similar to adding new task, but with some additional buttons. Let's start from what exactly you can edit in this pop-up window. You can change name and description of the task. Interval can be changed too. For example, if you suppose that this category should be checked more frequently, you can lower the interval. Also, you can add attachments. Don't forget that the maximum size of the attachment is 5 MB to avoid high traffic usage on vessels. Ranks and required parts can be edited to any time. In addition, you can print this task by pressing Print button, view previously done works for this task by pressing Archive button. To add hours for this task, you need to press Mark as Complete button. Additional pop-up window will appear. Last done and total running hours fields are being calculated automatically and cannot be changed. You can select the date work have been completed and running hours when work has been completed. Enter value manually, or you can press plus sign to the right side of this field. It will add last done value. Entered value should not exceed total hours. Remarks field is a required field too. You can leave any comment regarding this particular completion of the task. Last field allows you to add attachments if necessary, probably photo or report. After filling all necessary information, simply press Mark as Complete button. In some cases, tasks should be postponed. You can press Postponement Request button to do so. Pop-up window will appear. You cannot change name of the request, by default name of the task is used. Expiry field allows you to specify the time interval for postponement. By default it will show expiry date or expiry hours, depending on which time interval has been selected for the task. To postpone request, you need to enter new value to the right side of the expiry field. If interval is hours, you can enter, for example, 100 and press plus sign. That will add last done hours automatically, or you can enter value manually. For example, last done is 2000 and you want to postpone task for 100 hours. Then you need to enter value 2100. In case of using days, months or year interval, you will need to simply select date to postpone from calendar. By default, today's date will be shown in expiry field. Comment is a required field, so ensure you have entered something there. Usually, this comment describes why exactly you would like to postpone task. After entering all values, simply press Create Request button. Please be informed that this is only a request being created by a crew member and it should be approved by office. Only after that postponement will be performed fully. That's all about editing work, but sometimes you will need also delete tasks. To do so, you can find X sign near every task in the list. By pressing it, you will be prompted for approval of deletion. This is how you can delete tasks. I hope you will find this information useful. Thank you for your attention.